This is the brief on the Boston Whaler 350 Realm. You know, this 35.5-foot express cruiser is for the buyer who wants it all. You get that legendary offshore toughness of a center console, but it's all wrapped up in the plush comfort of a family weekender. So first up is that famous unsinkable build. It's their Unibond construction. They inject liquid foam right into the hull, creating one single rigid structure. That's what gives you that super solid, quiet ride. Plus, a 23-degree deep V-hull means it slices right through heavy chops, so you're not getting pounded around. Second, the luxury. This boat is an entertaining machine for up to 14 people with 4 separate social zones, some wraparound seating, and an electric table can turn the whole thing into a giant sun pad. And for longer trips, you've got a beautiful enclosed cabin with a convertible bed, a full shower, and climate control, making weekenders actually comfortable. And finally, performance. It's totally effortless. We're talking triple Mercury Verados, up to 1,200 horsepower for speeds over 50 miles an hour. But the best part? Docking is stress-free with the joystick piloting system. You can literally move this big boat with one hand. And for ultimate comfort, the optional Seakeeper gyro stabilizer practically eliminates all that annoying rocking at anchor. The 350 Realm truly delivers offshore toughness and refined luxury in one seamless package. To begin customizing your Boston Whaler 350 Realm, visit yachtbuying101.com or simply direct message Realm 350 for more information.
For additional information, please feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819.